Hey sis, in this video I will show you how I made this beautiful wrap crop top with balloon sleeves. It is inspired by the one at the side. Please keep watching. I am Agnes. Welcome to my channel, Sew with Agnes.
More than I intended to. It's got me thinking.
So this is the fabric. We'll cut the back first. My bust is 40 inches. I will add 2 inches to it. That is 42 divided by 4. It is 10.5 plus 1 inch. That is 11.5. So that is what I've folded now. Folded 11.5 inches. So draw the starting line, ½ inch. My bust point is 10 inches. Now I'll go up by 2 inches for my chest line. And the length for the crop top, my length, I always use the half length plus 3. Then I added 1.5 inches. My half length is 16 inches plus 3, that is 19, plus 1.5. So I have 20.5. So I extended the lines, the bust point, the chest line, and the hem line. So my shoulder is 16. I added 1 inch, the 17. 17 divided by 2, I have 8.5 plus half, that is 9. So I mark it down again to the chest line. I came down by ½ inch for shoulder slant. And I find the midpoint on that one. Now draw my armhole curve. So for the neck width is 3 inches, 1 inch for neck depth at the back. Then I extended the slant. So on the chest line, I marked my 11.5 inches. That is 10.5 for the bust, then 1 inch for the allowance. Then on the waistline, my waist is 35 inches plus 1 inch divided by 4. That is 9 plus 1 inch for joining. So I will extend the line. Yes, I'm just trying to check. So for my crop top, I always go up by 1 inch at the back. I'll slant it like this. Now cut. So these are for the back. So for the front, I have 30 inches on fold. Then I place the back panel on it like this. So I turn it so that you can see it well. So the folded side, that is the back, center back, I have 18 inches extra. So I'll go down by 6 inches so that the opening will not be too big. So I'll trace the 3 inches neck width, then I will connect it like this to the 6 inches. So from that 6 inches, I'll curve it like this. I went up by 2 inches down. I sorry guys, you didn't see that part, but I went up by 2 inches and I slant and connect it to the edge of that 18 inches. So I'll trace the side of the back panel like this, just as you are seeing that one. I trace it like that. Then the shoulder slant. Then for the one I just marked, I'll cut it like this. So this is the front, this is the back, and I'll cut out the 2 inches that I went up for the back. So I join the shoulders, then I cut out 2 strips to add to the belt. So that is how, yes, I sew them. Sorry guys, I didn't explain that one properly, but basically I just this strip of fabric to make belt. So now we'll just hem the bottom, then the neck area. That's what I'll do for both sides and the back as well. So I'll hem them. That's it. The side, see the belt. So how lovely it is. Now the neck line as well for both the back and the front. So I'll pin the sides. I'll mark 1 inch. Remember we left 1 inch for the for joining. So down here I'll go up by 1 inch. Then I'll left 2 inches opening. Then I'll continue to sew again. On the other side I will sew all round. Yeah. So this is what I did. So I left the opening so that I'll pass the belt. So my armhole I have to increase the armhole, should be 10 inches. That is half of my armhole. That one should be 10. So in total, because it's fold, should be 20. So I reduce it now. I increased it, sorry, I increased it. So and I open the side, part of the side, and I measured the entire armhole. I have 22 inches. So this is for the sleeve, 22 inches, half of it is 12. It's 11, sorry. Then the length is 18 inches. So I marked 5 inches down to puff sleeve. Then I slant like this, and I find the midpoint. Then I go up like this and come down again for the sleeve. So the bottom part is, I'll mark the 11 inches and I connect like this. Yes, I will fix elastic on that bottom part. So this is the sleeve, simple puff sleeve. And notch the center of both of them. So I will place it like this, right sides facing each other. Also, so this is it. After sewing, I'll sew now from the sleeve area 1 inch. Yes, then I'll hem the sleeve. So after I ironed it, this is how it looks. The opening, I placed hemming gum on it so that it can rest well. So for the sleeve, I have this elastic. Cut both of them. So I'll fix them. I'll take the pin it like this, then I'll insert it. That is the elastic opening. But I have to make sure to pin the other end so that it will not like go inside as you push the pin. So this is what I'm doing now. I push the safety pin and draw. I push and draw. So 1/2 inch. After sewing the half inch, then I will close the end. So this is how it looks. I finish. Get the belt, I'll place it here. Thank you for watching. Thank you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.